Hi, my name is Lucy Truman. I'm the Managing Director of Truman Change, and this video is about us being a delivery partner. So lots of our clients ask us to help them with literally resources on the ground, because making change happen always takes much more work than people think that it's going to take. And I have a team of highly experienced people who are used to delivering projects and programs in the public sector. We focus very much on an approach that is around delivery, not administration. So we are not project managers that will come into your organisation and just give you endless reports about what's going wrong. We are people that will roll up our sleeves and muck in and get this job done for you and with you. So if you are about to embark in a change programme, or maybe you're even partway through one and realising that you're just not getting the traction you need, you just don't have the resources that you need, and you're looking for people who really understand the complexity of public sector, really understand how to manage a wide range of stakeholders, and people who are able to just roll up the sleeves and get the job done for you and alongside you, then give us a call. That's definitely something that we can help you with.